Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do the continuation of the chapter circles. Let us start the exercise. First question. In a cyclic trapezium, the non-parallel sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. Prove it. Given a cyclic trapezium ABCD in which AB parallel to DC and AC and BD are joined. To prove, first part, the non-parallel sides AD equal to BC. Second part, the diagonals AC equal to BD. Proof. Since AB parallel to DC, therefore angle ABD equal to angle BDC, alternate angles. Chord AD subtend angle ABD and chord BC subtends angle BDC at the circumference of the circle. But angle ABD equal to angle BDC. We know that equal chords subtend equal angles. Therefore, chord AD equal to chord BC, which implies that AD equal to BC. Now, in triangle ADC and triangle BDC, DC equal to DC common. AD equal to BC. Now we proved. Angle CAD is equal to angle CBD. Angles in the same segment. Therefore, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC by ASS axioms. Therefore, AC equal to BD by CPCT. Next question. In the following figure, AD is the diameter of the circle with the center O. Chord AB, BC and CD are equal. If angle DEF equal to 110 degree, calculate first part angle AEF, second part angle FAB. Given AD is the diameter of the circle with the center O. Chords AB, BC and CD are equal. Angle DEF equal to 110 degree. We have to find angle AEF, second part angle FAB. Join AE, OB, OC. Since AOD is the diameter, therefore angle AED equal to 90 degree, angle in a semicircle. But angle DEF equal to 110 degree. Therefore angle AEF equal to angle DEF minus angle AED equal to 110 degree minus 90 degree equal to 20 degree. Since chord AB equal to chord BC equal to chord CD, therefore angle AOB is equal to angle BOC equal to angle COD. Equal chord subtends equal angle at the center. But angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD equal to 180 degree since AOD is a straight line. Therefore, angle AOB equal to angle BOC equal to angle COD equal to 60 degree. In triangle AOB, OA is equal to OB, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OAB equal to angle OBA, angle opposite to equal sides. But angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. Therefore, angle OAB plus angle OBA equal to 180 degree minus angle AOB equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. Therefore, angle OAB equal to angle OBA equal to 60 degree each. In cyclic quadrilateral ADEF, angle DEF plus angle DAF equal to 180 degree, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. That is 110 degree plus angle DAF equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DAF is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is equal to 70 degree. Now, angle FAB equal to angle DAF plus angle OAB equal to 70 degree plus 60 degree equal to 130 degree.